Hey everyone, TechLife here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Google Nest Hub, formerly known as the Google Home Hub. And as you can see here, I got the charcoal grey version. Taking a quick look at the box, you can see some of the features. If you like, you can pause the video and take a closer look, but I won't go into any detail. For me, the most notable features have to be the hands-free calls and Google Photos integration, which means that you can use it like a digital photo frame when not in use. I chose this one over the Max because it doesn't have a camera, which I don't think I'd use and wouldn't be comfortable having, but it's all down to personal preference and budget. This one's also on offer for £59 on the Google store right now, and the offer expires on the 11th of January, so if you're looking to up your smart home setup and you have some Christmas money to spare, then I'd recommend checking it out. With that all being said, let's open this up. And straight away we have the hub itself. I'll put that to the side for now. Removing the cardboard insert, we have some manuals and safety information, as well as the power adapter, which is annoyingly not USB-C or even micro USB. Back to the hub itself, the base is covered in the fabric of your choice. I chose the charcoal version, and on the back you can see the mic switch, volume rocker and power input. I'll just quickly take off the protective cover and get this set up.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Now that's set up, I'll take a look through the interface.
Now that you're set up, I'd like to show you a few more things that you can do with your Nest Hub. First, swipe down from the top of the screen. This is where you can find and control devices in your smart home. Any smart home devices that you add to the Google Home app will appear here. You can come back later to explore. Now swipe. Next, this is where you can find some of the controls for your hub, like screen brightness, volume and a few other things. To hide these controls, tap anywhere. Now that we've talked about swiping, let's look at some things that you can see on your screen. To check out your day, tap anywhere on the screen. Throughout the day, I'll have new things here for you. Anything from what's on your calendar to top hits on YouTube. To see more of what I have for you, scroll right. Great job, that's all I have for now, so I'll let you have some fun and explore on your own. Just as a final tip, if you want to find out more, you can always ask me, what can you do?
And that's it. So far I'm really enjoying it. It works excellently and looks just like a picture frame when not in use. Make sure to check back soon and I'll give you my full review. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe as it really helps the channel out. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas and New Year, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.